Looking for a new espresso machine in 2025? Whether you're just starting out, trying to level up your home setup, or maybe looking to stop wasting $6 every morning at the cafe, I've got you covered. I've tested a ridiculous number of machines this year, from ultra-budget options that just about pull a shot, to smart semi-automatic machines that practically make your coffee for you. And after months of hands-on use, these are the 5 that actually stood out. Let's get into it. Let's start at the bottom of the ladder, in the best way possible. The Stylosa is one of the few espresso machines under $150 that doesn't immediately make you regret your life choices. Now, it's not pulling real cafe-level espresso. It uses a pressurized basket, it's got a Panarello wand, and it runs hotter and harder than a classic 9-bar system. But here's the thing, if you're new to this, using pre-ground coffee, and you just want to make a solid cappuccino at home without remortgaging your house, this thing works. Steam wand's a bit weak, sure. Portafilter's light, but I've actually recommended this to friends who want cafe-style drinks at home on a shoestring, and they've been pleasantly surprised. If you're on a tight budget but want to get into espresso-style drinks, the Stylosa is your no-frills way in. Now we're getting serious. The Gaggia Classic Pro Evo is basically the espresso world's version of a 90s Toyota, built to last, mod-friendly, and rock-solid. This latest version adds a few smart tweaks. The boiler is now Alexia-coated to resist scale, the group head is solid brass, and the portafilter is fully stainless steel. Internals are simpler than most machines in its class, which means fewer things to go wrong, and easier fixes if they do. No PID, so you'll need to temperature surf a bit. And yeah, the overpressure valve comes factory set to about 12 bars, but swap the spring for a 9-bar one and you're in espresso heaven. If you like to tweak, mod, and really get hands-on with your espresso, this is still one of the best value machines on the market. Want real espresso without a real headache? The Bambino Plus is your machine. It's small, heats up fast, thanks to Breville's thermojet system, and delivers consistent 9-bar shots with PID-stabilized temperature. More importantly, it makes espresso that tastes good. But the killer feature here is the auto milk frothing. It actually works. 3 texture settings, 3 temp settings, and yes, it can handle alternative milks too. If you're a latte drinker, this will save your mornings. Does it have a few quirks? Yeah. No hot water button, weird omission, and the drip tray is teeny tiny. But as a compact, beginner-friendly home barista setup, this thing's hard to beat. It's my go-to recommendation for folks who want great espresso without going full nerd. This machine kind of blew me away. The Barista Touch Impress is Breville's most refined hybrid system yet. It doses and tamps automatically with a calibrated 10-kilogram tamp, guides you through shot adjustments, and steams milk at the press of a button. You even get presets for oat, almond, and cow's milk, which actually adjust steam temp and texture accordingly. Oh, and the touchscreen UI? One of the best in the business. You can store multiple user profiles, customize drinks, and the machine even tells you when to purge after changing your grind setting. This isn't just for beginners. It's for people who want great espresso every day, without the usual trial and error workflow. I'd call it barista-grade coffee with training wheels, but the wheels are carbon fiber and the ride is buttery smooth. Let's be honest, if you're into espresso and you really care about how your shots taste, this is the machine you're aiming for. The dual boiler is a true prosumer machine at a price that still makes sense for a home setup. You get independent boilers for espresso and steam, rock-steady temperature control via dual PIDs, and full control over pre-infusion and pressure profiling. It's not flashy, no touchscreen, no smart frothing, but it just works, and it works exceptionally well. I've been using mine for over 2 years now, and it pulls the best shots of any machine I've tested under $2,000. Period. One warning, maintenance is more involved, especially descaling, but treat it well, and this thing will last you a decade, maybe longer. If espresso is more than just a drink for you, if it's your hobby, your ritual, your therapy, this is the machine to get. So, there you have it, my top 5 espresso machines in 2025 based on what actually matters. Real-world use, reliability, and the taste in your cup. Whether you're a curious beginner with a tight budget or someone halfway down the home barista rabbit hole, there's something here for you. Have questions? Got a sleeper pick I missed? Drop it in the comments. I read all of them, I promise. And hey, if this helped, give it a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay caffeinated, stay curious.